told in the very first session this one, okay, session number 1 only. I told this one, first final state meaning accept state, non-final state meaning rejection state. Okay, now if you forgot this one, please again revise it and don't forget this particular part here, because it's an important thing here. Okay, final state meaning accepting. Okay, yeah, fine. If you don't understand, I'll write this particular point here. Okay, means. Okay, what is the means here? Final state means accepting state, non-final state means rejection state. Okay, now so already I told this point here to everyone. That is, in a final state machine there will be two things. Okay, this I have given many example. There's a final state machine here. Okay, now final state. Okay, final state machine here meaning, so there are two things always. One is valid or invalid. I told it long back. So that part here. Okay, so it's accepting state and or rejecting state. Okay, now it may be accept, it may be reject. Only two things here. Okay, now so what are the two things in always in a final state machine? So one thing always, it may be accept. Okay, so it may be reject. Only two things. So accepting state meaning going forward, it's important. So that's I'm telling you. Okay, final state, wherever we are getting final state, it's nothing but it's accepting. Okay, meaning end. Also in another words, you can say that it's an end. Okay, na? Okay, so accept meaning, in other words, okay, it's general words. Okay, now examination, don't write this one. Okay, now accept meaning end. You are ending the string. Okay, this is your understanding purpose. I'm giving ending the string. Okay, rejecting meaning non-ending, non-ending. Okay, now you're not ending there. Okay, now so that part we call it as a rejecting state meaning non-ending. We cannot end there. Accepting meaning we can end the string there. Okay, so that is what the meaning here. Okay, any confusion part here? So this is the big state, rejecting state. Okay, so always what final state machine will do, acceptance rejection. Okay, now so accepting meaning ending the string. It doesn't mean you should end it there only. You may end, okay, there. Okay, rejection meaning non-ending state. Okay, so that is what the important part here. Okay, now so one assignment question I have not given for type number 11 sorry 10. So that's that part I will give now. One assignment question. Assignment question for type number 10 have not been given, so that's I'm giving you. Okay, why? Because I have not given, because Sunday's assessment is different now. Okay, now I'm giving Sunday's assignment, that is a different work. So already I have given yesterday that those who are only doing assignments, for them are given. Okay, assignment questions here. Okay, so what is assignment question? 71 here, that is. So yeah, draw a DFA to accept the string. So accept the string of A's and B's. It's a very tricky question. You have to take your time and do it, guys. Okay, now draw a DFA to accept the string of A's and B's such that such that it ending with understanding. A or this had done it. Okay, now same type had done it. You have to do it. It should ending with AA or BB. Okay, now so this is the part here. Okay, now so I had done with AB 0110. Couple of days back, what we had done now, 01 or 10, that part we had done. Now I'm giving AA BB. Okay, this part you have to do. That is what the assignment question, type number 10, that is. Okay, now yeah, great, fine. Okay, we'll move on to next type 11. What is the type 11 problem here? Type 11 problem. Okay, yeah. So one thing is divisible by k problem. Divisible by k problem. Okay. So this is what the requirement part. Or also we will ask with something called as zero module key. Okay na? So if this type of problems will come, meaning you are supposed to do it, right? Okay na? So this they asked in 2018. Okay na? Modulo key counter problem. Okay, divisible by key problem, zero module, zero modulo key counter problem. Okay, so this part you are supposed to understand it. Okay, fine. Type 11 divisible by key problem, zero modulo key. Great guys. Okay, so now we shall see what is happening over here. So that is type number is problem number 72 now. Okay, what is the problem number? Problem number is 72. Okay, so what problem number 72 is telling is, everyone note down this one. Draw a DFA to accept. So now closely observe what I'm telling now. It's binary. Accept binary. So that's why I have to read questions twice, guys. Okay, now strings divisible by 3 here. So this is what the question here. Okay, now whenever he said that draw a DFA to accept binary strings divisible by 3 here. Okay, first point you are supposed to understand, that is binary. Okay, now he is asking for binary. Okay, now binary first semester digital electronics you have learned. So that part here. Okay. So next, divisible by 3 here. So this part you are supposed to understand it. Okay, it should be divisible. Whatever the string we are writing, it should be divisible by 3 here. Okay, now so that part you are supposed to understand. Okay, so now I'll write the requirement part here. Okay, so concentrate, guys. If you're doing any other work, please stop it and focus more here. Okay, little tricky to understand, but easy. Okay, if you try to understand, very easy. If you don't try to understand, if you're listening very lazily, you cannot understand this one. Okay, now you have to be more focused here. Okay, so that is a greatness here. Okay, and a very important question for 5 marks. Okay. So now understand it here. What is the requirement part? Okay, so requirement part here is, see, first of all, understand it carefully. So what he is asking, I'll take some other color. Okay, fine. We'll make it bold, this one. So now understand it. First of all, yeah, everyone probably knows modulus. In 10th standard, we learned in chapter number 7 or 8, modulus. I think it's chapter number 6, I guess. Okay, now 5th or 6th modulus chapter only is there. Okay, now it's 10th standard. If you don't know, please ನಿಮ್ಮ ಅಕ್ಕಪಕ್ಕ ಮನೆ 10th standard ಇದ್ರೆ you take the textbook and learn it. Okay, modulus, because I cannot explain much now. Okay, so modulus now divisible by 3. So now modulus 0, modulus symbol is percentage symbol. Okay, 3 is equal to, it's 0. The result is 0. Okay, so next 1 modulus 3 is equal to 1. Understood? Getting what I'm trying to say here? So next 2 modulus 3 is equal to 2 here. Now it's interesting. 3 modulus 3, if I write 3 modulus 3 is equal to, you cannot write 3 here. Okay, because we are writing the remainder part here. Okay, so result will be like this, meaning, so all remainder part we are writing here. Okay, understood everyone? So 0 modulus 3 is equal to 0, 1 modulus 3 is equal to 1, 2 modulus 3 is equal to 2, 3 modulus 3 is equal to 0. 3 will be divisible by 3, so that's what is 0, guys. Okay, now so similar way, I'll copy this part here. It's a similar way, understand it. Okay, if I say that 4 modulus 3, again 1. If I say that 5 modulus 3 is equal to 2, if I say that 6 modulus 3 is equal to 0 only. Why? Because 6 will be divisible by 3 here. So that part you are supposed to understand it. Okay, next, if I say that 7 modulus 3, it's 1 only. 8 modulus 3 is equal to 2, 9 modulus 3 is equal to 0. Why? Because all remainders. Okay, now if you don't know, please learn it. Okay, now so that part. Okay, I'll show you one part. If you don't know, please understand it. Okay, this 0 modulus 3 meaning 3 we are writing like this. Okay, understand. For example, I will take, 6 modulos 3, okay now, meaning 3 6 we are supposed to write like this. So 3 2 is the 6. So what is the remainder here? 0. So that part we are writing. Suppose this number is a 5. Okay, 5 modulos 3, meaning 5 3 ones are 3. Okay, what is the remainder part here? 2. So that part we are writing 5 modulus 3, meaning 2. We are getting a remainder 2. So that is what modulus here. Okay now. Yes, great. So now you are supposed to understand it. Okay, we are supposed to write the binary here. Okay now. So now it's interesting part here. Okay, great. I'll write like this. So now we are supposed to write for the binary. Okay, requirement will be big now because working column is big now. Okay, so now yes, so binary. We are supposed to understand something called as binary. Probably everyone aware about this binary part here. Okay, if I say that 0, what is the binary numbers, guys? Simple here. Okay now, 0 0 0 0. This is the binary here. Okay now. So similar way, if I say that 1 here, okay, for 1 it is binary number is 0 0 0 1 here. Similar way, okay, understand it, write it. Okay, so if I say that for 2, if I say that for 3, so for 2 it is 10 0 0 1 0. Next this is 1 1. Understood everyone? Easy part here. Okay, I'll copy again, I'll paste it. Okay, so this part here, 4th one, this is 5th one, this is 6th one, this is 7th one. Okay, so 4th one here is, once we are done with 1 1, we are changing this part. Okay, this part will get changed. Second one, everything will become 1 1 1. Okay, so here this is 0 0 0 1 1 0 and 1 1. Okay, this is how to write it, guys. Okay, very easy here, binary. Okay, so next part, if you want to check it for 8 and 9, check. Okay, so again I will copy this part here. Yes, so 8 and 9 we'll write and we'll stop it. Okay, 8 and 9. Okay, perfect. Okay, so now for 8, what is the binary here? 1 0 0. Okay now, so that is the part here. Okay, next this is 1. So next 1 0 0 0 1 here. So now understand it carefully. So we have written the requirement part, that is modulus here. Okay now, and also we have taken binary part here. Okay now, where it went binary. Also we have taken with something called as binary part. Okay, so this is what requirement. Okay, so now if I say if divisible by 3, if it is divisible by 3 here, so always whenever I get a remainder 0, it should be accepted. See, I told that it should be accepted. Okay, now rejecting meaning it should not be divisible by 3. Okay, yes, not yes. Suppose if it's given not divisible by 3, then ulta you are supposed to do it. Now he has not given any condition of not divisible by 3, so that's where it's divisible by 3. Meaning wherever I will get this part, meaning 0 part, meaning wherever I'll get 0 as the remainder, that part will become the accepting state. Okay now, so what is the accepting state, guys? So if it is divisible by 3, it's a common sense. Now there it should be accepted. Okay now, so this is what the requirement part here. Okay, accept it. Okay, here you should be accepted. Okay, here you should be accepted. So that's written in a green. Okay, it will be understand this in a very beautiful manner here. Okay, so rest it should be rejected. Okay, now taken red here. So if you get 1 modulus or 2 modulus, it should be rejected, guys. Okay, now, so that part you are supposed to reject here. Okay, understood? So this part you are supposed to reject here. Okay, probably everyone is getting, I guess. So if you get 4 modulus and 5 modulus, it should be reject. Okay, that type of diagram, DFA diagram, you are supposed to write before writing the diagram, you are supposed to understand the concept here. Okay, if you don't understand the concept, again, it will be very difficult to write the DFA part here. Okay, so this is the requirement part. Okay, I'll go to binary now. This is modulos I have taken. Okay, basic part. Then I have taken a binary because our requirement is binary. It should be accepted binary, guys. Binary strings of divisible by 3 here. Okay, now I'll go quickly here. So again, which one should be accepted, guys? 0. See here 0, 3, 6, 9. No, likewise here also 0, 3, 6, 9. It should be accept here. Okay, meaning you'll understand. I will give a conclusion. Don't worry about it. Okay, now concentrate. That's it. So here it should be accepted. Green color meaning accepted. Okay, now. So now 0, 3 also should be accepted. No, where is accepted, guys? See here 3, 6, 9. So 6, 9. You write it like this. Okay, now. So all green color will be accepting state here. Rest it will be rejecting state here. Understood the concept here? What I'm trying to say here. So now you will get the clarity here. Meaning now we got the string here. Carefully observe where we got the string, sir. String we got it here. See. Okay. Where we got first of that. See, this is what we got at the string now at last. Which one? 0, 0, 0. See, 0, 0, 0, 0. It should be accepted my state. If I get 0, 0, 0, 1, it should be rejected. 0, 0, 1, 0, it should be rejected. Okay, now you got the clarity, I guess. Okay, now. So 0, 0, 1, 1, it should be accepted. 0, 1, 0, 0, for this string, if I read, it should be reject my part. Okay. So this is how we are supposed to write the diagram here. Okay, first I have given a modulus part, binary part. Okay, if you get any doubt, any clarification, ask me. So I will go to writing the diagram part here, DFA diagram. Okay, before that, anybody is having any kind of queries here? Quickly I have to drop chat box or unmute it because we have less time here. Okay. Okay, fine. Okay, so I'll move on. Okay. Okay, fine. Yes. What is the solution part? Solution part is very simple here. Okay, now solution part here is something called as also the given part. Okay, always we'll go for a given part now. So what is a given part here? Simple, sir. Okay, understand it carefully. Given part is not only sigma now. Okay, now. So various things we are supposed to write it here. Okay, now. First part we are supposed to write it here is radix. Okay, now. Radix. Also we call it as R here. Okay, the radix are taken is R here. Radix meaning, understand it. Binary meaning what, guys? Everyone should answer now. Okay, otherwise I'll not continue only. Binary meaning what? I don't want Google answers. You don't search in Google full and don't tell that. Binary meaning what? Some symbols it will. Very good, very good. I got one answer. Okay, I want answers from I only said that all of you people said that 0, 1, 0, 1, 0, 1, 0. Yes, sir. Perfect. Yes. Okay. Now, so when you said the 0, 1, what is the count of how many symbols you have written? 2 symbols. So that is what radix here. So binary meaning 2, that is 0, 1. Okay, now. So that part we call it as radix here. Okay, now. Great. So next is divisor part. Okay, now. So divisor meaning, so see, I told you divisible by k problem here. Okay, so here 3 is the divisor. Okay, now. So that part, so I'll call it as k here is equal to, if you want to take it d divisor d, you can take it, no problem. Okay, so 3 here. Okay, usually because I have given a problem name is divisible by k, so that's why I'm taking as k here. Okay, so that part. So next is alphabet. Now everyone should answer alphabet. What are the alphabets we have? Okay, now. Again, I want answers from everyone here. Okay, now. What are the alphabets we have? because here DFA we are not given, string zeros and ones or A's and B's are not given. But what is the sigma? Common sense, sir. 0 1, sir. Next. Okay, so next we are supposed to write possible. Oh, you're answering, no? Answer. Very good, very good. I will check. All 35 answers should be there here. Okay, great. So fine. So next, possible remainder. Possible remainder. So this remainder I will take it as I here. So I'll give a name as I. Then, so what are the possible remainder? Now quickly, your answers. So you should tell possible remainders now. I want answer from you today. Every answers. What are the possible remainders? RHS part, sir. See what are the possible remainders we have. I've given int also. In RHS side, it is there. In the modulus part, remainders. Everyone should answer. Very good. Not only 0, 0, 0, 1, 2, it's a correct answer. Everyone quickly answer. 0, 1, 2. Very good, great. Okay, fine. Quickly answer everyone. Fine, guys. Okay, now. So it says 0, 1, 2 are the possible remainders. 0, 1, 2 here. Okay, so these are the possible remainders. Okay, got the clarity? Fine. Okay, now. So in the given part we are taken possible remainder also. Now we'll write one beautiful table here. Okay, now it's taking little time here. So yeah, fine, guys. Now we'll try to write a beautiful table part here. Okay, so great. Great. Okay, so this is a table we are supposed to write, and first column I will say that possible remainder here. Okay, possible remainder. Okay, fine. The second part I will say something called a sigma. Okay, na sigma alphabet. Okay, na. So next part we are supposed to say here. So one formula is there. I'll copy from here. Okay, na. So already I have written. This is the formula here. Because it will kill time, so that's written already. Okay, so this is the formula, guys. So you have to remember. Okay, so if you want in a bigger size, you make it this is bigger 16. Okay, so what is the formula here? R into star meaning into I plus sigma mod of 3 is equal to J. Very important. Okay, na. So next part again, solution part. So del of this part also I'll copy. Great. What is the thing here? Del of Qi comma sigma is equal to Qj here. Probably it's visible, I guess, to everyone. Okay, if it is not visible, tell me. Okay, great. I have written this part here. Okay, now whenever I written, what is the possible remainders here? 3 possible remainders. Yes or no, guys? Yes, we have 3 possible remainders. So that's a possible remainder. We had supposed to write 3 here. Okay, 3 rows you make it. You are supposed to make it 3 rows here. Okay, now we'll take it black color only. That looks good here. Okay, now fine, great. So what are the possible remainders here? I is equal to 0. Okay, now so that is a first possible remainder. Okay, I is equal to 1 here. Okay, that is second possible remainder. Then I is equal to 2 here. That is the third possible remainder part here. Okay, now what is the sigma part here? Sigma meaning 0 1 0 1 0 1. For this input also meaning possible remainder also 0 comma 1. For this also 0 comma 1. For this also 0 comma 1. So that's why I have to make it one more row here. Okay, now for I is equal to 0, we have two inputs, guys. Okay, now carefully understand it. Okay, now we have two inputs. One is 0. Okay, now we'll change the color part here. 0. Okay, fine. So next year is 1 year. Okay, now so this is the easiest way. So next part here is similar way. We have to write it for this also. Okay, we have to write it for this also quickly. Okay, fine. And I'll go quickly. This is very simple, guys. Okay, now this is now it's very simple. When I have written the table format, it's very easy because whatever it's there, only substitution part. That's it. Okay, 0 1 0 1 0 1 0 1. Okay, but you have to do very carefully here. Okay, again, what I will do, I'll copy this part. Carefully observe. Just substitution part. That's it. Okay, now I'm not doing much more things here. Again, if you have confusions, you can ask. Okay, so this is what the part here. Fine. Again, I will copy this part. It will be easy for me. Okay. So now, tell me that what is R now? What is RR? Please, someone unmute and tell me. Someone should unmute and tell me because I cannot go back to their mute now. So, chat box.
2, sir.
2. Very good. Very good. Okay. 2 into what is I now?
0.
Fine. What is sigma now? Oh, sigma here only is there. See.
0.
Very good. That's the same row it is there. No? Mod 3. What is the remainder now? J meaning remainder. What is the remainder? Sir, 2 into 0 is 0. 0 plus 0 is equal to 0. 0 mod 3 andre ಏನು? ಹೇಳಿ. Answer ಬೇಕು. I want answer.
0, sir.
Great. I'm doing slowly. I will do one day problem today because I want answer from you guys. Okay, now I thought to finish this topic only, but I'll go slowly because I want answers from you guys. Okay, fine, guys. Okay, now second part here. Okay, next, someone should answer here now. Vaishnavi, answer ma. Okay, R is equal to 2, no? Into what is the I part here?
1, sir.
1. Very good. Okay, so sigma. Sigma, same row. I have only written here only sigma is there. ಏನದು?
1, sir.
1. ಅಷ್ಟೇ. Why you should get scared here? ಹೇಳಿ ನಾವು ಇವಾಗ 2 into 1. Oh, answer.
2, sir.
2 into 1, 2. 2 plus 1?
3.
But I made one mistake here. Okay.
Value is 0, sir.
This is 0, no? I is equal to 0, no? So 2 into 0 is equal to 0 plus 1. That is 1 mod 3 is equal to 1 year. Okay, na? Understood? Easy. Fine. Okay, you can mute, ma. So now second part here is same, sir. Easy. R is equal to 2 into I is equal to 1 year now. Okay, na? 1 plus here 0 mod 3. What is the answer here? 2. You can cross check there. Okay, na? So now it is easy part here. Again, I will change this part. Meaning 2 into 1 now. Okay, here also 1. Sigma change ಆಗುತ್ತೆ 0 1 0 1. Here input change ಆಗುತ್ತೆ 0 0 1 1. Okay, 2 into 1 it's 2. 2 plus 1 is 3. 3 mod 3 is equal to ಏನು 2 mod 3 3 no?
0, sir. 0, sir.
Great. Okay, ಇವಾಗ ಹೇಳಿ ಯಾರಾದರೂ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ನಾವು 2 into what?
0.
Oi, 2 into
2.
2. Very good. Plus 0 mod 3. Okay, 4. Now what is the remainder part?
1.
Great. Okay, answer now. Last one. Okay, lucky chance. Who will answer? We'll see. 2 into
2.
Great. Okay, next year plus
1.
Okay, ಅಷ್ಟೇ. What is the remainder part here?
2.
2.
Great, upstep. Okay, closely observe. Done. Thank you, guys. Okay, now overall answers is great. Okay, appreciable, everyone. Okay, great. So now it's we are done with third column here. See, carefully observe. First is 0, 1, 2. Next 0, 1, 2. Order only it will come. Okay, now so that's why it is easy. Okay, now we have to be very careful here. Okay, so this part now. Okay, now. So now it's a very easy and efficient way we are learning this. Okay, so I'll copy this one now. We'll go for del part here. Okay, now also. Okay, so yeah. Now now also I want answers. Okay, so del of qi meaning what? I andre ಏನು?
Possible reminders.
What is the value?
Possible reminder.
What is the value? ಏನು ಬರಿಬೇಕು ಇವಾಗ ನಾನು ಅಲ್ಲಿ? q
0.
ವೆರಿ ಗುಡ್.
0.
ಅಷ್ಟೇ ಸೂಪರ್. q j ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಏನು ಬರಿಬೇಕು ನಾನು?
0. 0.
Super. Okay, great. So next answer for this also. Okay, first 3 you answer, rest I will write. Okay, q ಏನು ಬರಿಬೇಕು ಇಲ್ಲಿ? q i ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು?
0.
ಸೂಪರ್. ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ ಒನ್ q j ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು?
1.
ಅಷ್ಟೇ, ವೆರಿ ಗುಡ್, ಸಿಂಪಲ್. ಓಕೆ, ಒನ್ ಮೋರ್ ಟ್ರೈ ಪ್ಲೀಸ್. ಓಕೆ, ಎಸ್. ನಾವು ಹೇಳಿ
1.
ಸೂಪರ್. q1 ಇಲ್ಲಿ q
2.
super. Okay, rest 3 I will only write. Okay, na? Thank you guys. Okay, na? You can mute. So now it's easy part here. So here q I'm supposed to write 1 here. So here q 0 here. Okay, na? Straight away you can write. Okay, it's same row part here. So it's an easy part here. Okay, so this is what q2 now. Okay, na? This is q1 now. Okay, na? That's simple. Okay, last one is easy to write, that is again q2, and last one is q2. That's easy. Okay, and Saturday class I told something, you'll see on Monday that you understand the transition table I was telling. Now we are supposed to write the transition table and transition diagram by looking at this column last. So that's where I've taken 1 hour extra, sorry, half an hour extra, 30 minutes extra. Why I have taken? So this is okay, na? Saturday, it's not Saturday, Friday, I guess. Friday I had taken extra 30 minutes. No, so this is what the purpose now. Okay, those who attended those extra 30 minutes, they will understand it now. Okay, na, easily. So others, you have to work hard, guys. Okay, na? So now how easily it will understand, no? I'll tell you guys. Okay, now so by looking at the last column, we are supposed to write the transition diagram, DFA diagram. Okay, by looking this only we are supposed to write. I will tell you one thing. Okay, here first nodi ellaru. Okay, see this part now. What is there here? Del of q0 sigma is equal to q0 idalva, meaning andre q0 is the state. Understand my part here, what I'm trying to see. q0 is the state alva. What happened? Sigma only written here. Okay, one second, guys. One second. They have to change the sigma value also, guys. Sorry. Not change it here. Please. Okay. Made a mistake here. Sigma value also we are supposed to write it. No, someone should remember. ಹೇಳ್ಬೇಕಲ್ವಾ ಯಾರಾದರೂ. So forget to change the sigma value here. Okay, na? Sigma meaning value ಇದೆ ಅಲ್ವಾ? We have values. Okay, fine. So now we are supposed to write the sigma values here. Q0 comma, what is the sigma value? 0 here. Okay, na? First, don't make mistake, guys. Okay. It will happen, but you have to, okay. Sigma not, no, now it's not 0, it is 1. Okay, na? So 0 1 0 1 like that. Okay, understanding guys what I'm trying to write it here? It's 0 here, 1 here. Okay, any queries you can ask. Okay, quickly I'll write because we don't have much time. 0 and 1. Okay, see, this is the part here. Okay, 0 1 0 1 0 0 1. Okay, this is sigma. Understand it carefully. For first one, I know I'll try to write the diagram part here. Okay, this part you understand it now. Okay, na? So which part? Athwa I'll write this part. Okay, na? First one only better to take. Oh my god. You take last part only. Okay, will be visible. What is the state, guys? Q2. Q2 is done now. Q2. Next, what is there here? 1 is there. 1 meaning symbol. Transition it should go. To where it should go? Q2 ge. Astane. So transition meaning that arrow symbol we are taking with symbol 1. One symbol we are taking to where? Q2 only. Aste. Artha aita? This one. Q2 we are taking 0 symbol to where? Q1. Aste. Which symbol we are taking? 0 symbol. Aste. Q2 is a symbol. We are taking this to Q1. Aste. 0 symbol. Q2, 0 symbol we are taking to Q1. Aste. Understood everyone? So this is okay. So, if you not understood, ask me. Okay, this because if you do wrong here, full whole what your efforts will be wasted. Okay, na? What remember formula, table, everything effort will be wasted. So that's okay, na? If you're not understood, please ask me. Okay, so now I'll try to write the diagram part here. Okay, so this is what del of q0 to q0 is carrying 0 symbol to where? Q0 only. So first we are supposed to write the transition diagram here. Okay, yeah. So 0 symbol. I'll make it bigger, guys, please. Okay, or we'll take brushes bigger here. Okay, fine. Q0 part here. Okay. So now someone should tell me Q0 is carrying 0 symbol. First two I will write. Next I will ask question. 0 symbol we are supposed to write it for where? Q0 only. Understand here? Q0 we are taking 0 symbol to Q0 only. Understood everyone? So this is done. Okay, na? Second part. Okay, this is done. Second I'm going. Q0 is carrying 1 symbol to Q1. Q0 is carrying 1 symbol to Q1. Okay, na? Q0 is carrying 1 symbol to Q1. Understood? This is done. Second is done. Any queries? Any queries? Any queries? Any queries, guys? Okay, fine. Q1. Next, Q1 is carrying 0 symbol to Q2. Q1 is carrying 0 symbol to Q2. 0 symbol to Q2. I'm explaining most ugliest way. Please try to understand it. Okay. Q1 is carrying 0 symbol to Q2. Okay, na? Next, Q1 is carrying 1 symbol to Q0. Q1, this is Q1, is carrying 1 symbol to Q0. Okay, this is Q1. Okay, I'm writing to 0. This is symbol. Now, anyone, please try to answer it for, unmute and answer for this one. Q2 carrying 0 symbol to Q1. Please answer. Unmute and answer one. What I'm trying to do for this one. I only told answer. You just repeat it. What?
Q2 to Q1.
Q2
Pass
to
0, sir.
Q1 now, pass 0, sir.
Astray. Very simple. Q2 to Q1 we are supposed to write 0 symbol. Astray. Last one. Q2 to Q2 1 astray. Done. No? See. Nodi ivaga. From Q2, all the symbol is passed, no? 0 symbol also, 1 symbol also. From Q1, 0 symbol also passed, 1 symbol also passed. From Q2, 1, 0 also passed, 1 also passed. And it's a valid because, it's a DFA diagram. Only once, all the symbol in each state is passed only one time. So that's a valid, no? It's efficiently valid. One thing is not there in the diagram. What is that? Can you identify? ಯಾರು ಹೇಳಿದ್ದು? Who said this one? Is correct answer. Super answer actually. Great. Who told this answer? Oh, someone told no answer. What is? You don't have your name? Anushage. Great, ma. Great. Okay. So final state. We have missed a final state. We have written starting state. We have missed a final state here. ಯಾವುದು final state now? Final state meaning ಹೇಳಿದೀನಿ. Starting only in the class we started final state meaning accepting state. Non-final state meaning rejection state. Now carefully understand here by looking at the binary have written here. Andre ಯಾವುದು final state which is not final state here. Only strings you tell me. Don't tell me states here. I know that I will answer for it. 0 0 0 acceptor, 0 0 1 1 is acceptor. Yes. So now come back to modulo here. Wherever zeros I'm getting 0 0 0 0 I'm getting, that will be accepting state here. Okay na? So wherever I'm getting 1 2, it's a rejection state. Meaning here also 0 Q0 meaning acceptance state, Q1 Q2 is a rejection state. Okay na? So that's the way we are supposed to make Q0 as a accepting state, meaning this is the final state. Start state is also Q0 and final state is also Q0. Why? Because I told that 0 accepting, 0 accepting, 0 accepting, 0 accepting, 1 2 1 2 1 2 it's rejecting. Here also Q0 is accepting, 1 2 1 2 is rejecting. Okay now remember one thing, always when you get this type of problem divisible by k problem, Q0 will be only the starting state. Okay now you should be understand that part. Okay, binary you get me. Why? Because 0 0 0 should be accepted, no? So now understand it. I will show you one part here. Okay, 0 0 will be accepted. I will show this one. From Q0, 1 0 is accepted, 2 0 is accepted, again I will 3 0 is accepted, 4 0 4 0 I'm stopping here only. I have not gone there, I stopped it. So accepting. Okay, I'll show one more accepting here. 3 meaning what? 0 0 1 1. Oh, dalva. So come back here. Okay now 0 0. What is that? 0 0 1 1 double 0 double 1 1 0 2 0 and 1 1. Accept after the final state. We are coming to final state now. End no 0 0 1 1. Okay, that is a efficient way to answer it here. Okay, come back to 9th one here. 1 0 0 1 here. Okay, Q0 to Q1 it's a 1. Again Q1 to Q2 it's 0. Again this is 0. Okay, meaning 1 0 0. Again from year to year 1 1 0 0 1. Accepting. One I'll show you rejection part also. Okay, suppose this is 5. 5 I'll show rejection part. 0 1 0 1 0. Okay na 1 next to 0 1. Okay, whether it's accepting now. Q2 is not a final state, so that's why it is rejecting now. Whatever I'll write the for 0 1 0 1, so for this 5 0 1 0 1 it's rejecting now. Okay, so this is how you should be understand this problem here. Got the clarity, guys? We are done with the DFA diagram here. Okay, I told that 100 times. If you written only DFA diagram is not enough. Okay, what you are supposed to write it, guys? You are supposed to write with something called as DFA is defined as that story you are supposed to write. Okay, now I will write because still more minutes is there. DFA. Till that, if you get any doubt, have a look at it, this diagram and please ask. Okay, DFA is defined as M is equal to, okay, yes, capital Q sigma. I'll take it from here. Yes, sigma, comma, again del I will take it. Yes, del. Next is Q0. Again, if you want, we'll take it Q0 from here. So this is a board meaning easy. Here difficult to write. Yep. So that part, so that's why I left it this one, but okay. Next, F here. Okay. So this is done. Now, what you are supposed to write? Where. Okay. What you are supposed to do now? Capital Q is equal to Q0. I'll write like this. Q0. Quickly, I'll write it Q0, Q1, Q2 here. Okay, now. So it's a big problem today. So that's why it took entire session. So I hope you understood this part here. So 0, comma 1 here. Okay, now. So great. So Q0 meaning start state. It's start state only. Okay, now. So fine. F is equal to Q0. Fine. So last part here, that is transition part. Okay, now. We are supposed to write the transition here. Okay, transition diagram. Okay, that is very easy, efficient here. Write a del part here. Okay, fine. 0, 1, two symbols. Okay, so now what are the three states here? Q0. Okay, Q0 is supposed to write, and Q1 you are supposed to write. Okay, now. Wait 1 second, guys. Till that, any doubt you can ask. We'll make it on table. It looks good now. Okay. So now we'll write del part here. Fine. Okay. Next to 0, comma 1 here. Here I'll write 0. We'll write 1 here. Two symbols we're supposed to write. So next part here, Q0 is a state. Q1 is a state. Q2 is a state. These are very format. Again, few people are forgetting to write the star and arrow. Even though I said in Friday, again when they are sending assignment, they are doing mistake. Okay, Q0. This is a start state here. Okay. Start meaning arrow, and this is star here. Okay, meaning ending state. Aste. So later write it. Aste mugitu. Q0 illi simple logic. Q0 barkoli. Whenever you get the first this type of problem, easy namge. Here Q0, Q1, illi Q2. Common sense, by practicing I got this one. Okay. Q0, Q1, Q2. Matte change aಗುತ್ತೆ. Because remainder we are at Q0. Q0, Q1, Q2. Again here Q1. You check markoli, you can check 1000 times, it will be correct. Okay, now no need to check the diagram or this one. Okay, you check now diagram. Q0 is carrying 0 symbol to Q0 only. Q0 is carrying 1 symbol to Q1. Q1 is carrying 0 symbol to Q2. Q1 is carrying 1 symbol to Q0. See, Q0, Q1, Q2, Q0, Q1, Q2, like that. Okay, it's a cute part here. Okay, cutest part. So we are done with today's session, guys. Okay, now entire session we are done. So this is a complete problem here. Okay, now copy this one. Take a screenshot. If you want to take screenshot, take screenshot. One assignment problem I will give. Then we'll wrap up quickly. Okay. Please mention your name for attendance, guys. Quickly. Assignment problem here. Okay. What's the problem number, guys? 73 here. Okay, now. So I'll give it as yeah, divisible by, okay, divisible by 2. You please do it, okay. Binary it is. You frame the question, guys, okay na? You frame the question, try DFA binary string like that, divisible by 2 now. Instead of 3, I'm giving 2. This is what the assignment question, okay. So we are done with the today's session, guys. Please do this problem also. Yeah, if you have any queries, you can ask, drop me a text through WhatsApp. I can answer for you guys, okay. Email, anywhere, okay, whichever you wish. Okay, quickly we'll wrap up, guys. Till that, you may type the attendance here, okay. Mention your name for attendance. Today we just kick-started with something called as unit number 1. Sorry, unit number we started long back, but just session number 11 we started. What is a big note here? Big note, final state meaning acceptance state. Non-final and rejection state. Okay, final state means accept and rejection will be there. Accept meaning ending, reject non-ending. Okay, one assignment problem I given, please try it, AA or BB ending. Okay, we have done that part also. And divisible by k problem, 0 modulo k problem, one and all the same here. So binary meaning we are supposed to take like this. Okay, so divisible by k problem meaning 3 here. Okay, radix, divisor, alphabet, possible number we are taking, and this is a formula. Okay, and once we are done this one, DFA diagram we are writing, and requirement part, DFA we are defining by using the transition table here. Okay, so this is what we are done with today's session here. Okay.